What's going on, you guys? I literally just got mail today on a Winnie the Pooh bucket hat, and it's denim, and I actually got it from Poshmark. I think in total I paid like $30. So bear with me. I need help. No, I really do need help though. I need a blade or something. Oh wow. I thought it was denim. So there's Pooh right here. And then there's Tigger. And then there's Rabbit. There's Piglet, and there's Owl and Eeyore. It's really detailed of what their personalities are. Like, I don't know if you could really tell, but Eeyore has like a cloud and the raindrops. Pooh has a little bee. Tigger has a little slinky because he jumps a lot and he bounces. And then Rabbit loves his carrots. He's always in his garden. And then Piglet is with his flowers. And then it has the Walt Disney World. And it's like super cute. It's so vintage. It's amazing. I'm in love with it. But yeah, I am so happy. If you guys want vintage stuff, please go to Poshmark. It's not an ad, I promise. I literally just found out about it. And yeah. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how you feel about the hat.